Hello everyone, it's Una here from Oz. How you going? I hope you're having a good day like me. It's very windy here today, so I'm in the studio and I thought I would show you a little journal that I finished. I actually made this little journal on one of these chipboard journal kits from Collage, which is an Australian company. It's got 6 pages and it's got 3 rings to bind it. If you'd like one, I've put the link down below. So I recently finished this little birdie journal and I'm absolutely thrilled with it. It's something I've been meaning to do for a long time, so I thought I would give you a quick look. It is all collage and I've used lots of different elements from pictures and rice paper and cutouts and die cuts and stickers and all kinds of things that you can collage on. It's really pretty and I'm really happy with it. The only thing I haven't decided is if I'm going to actually put a cover on it. It has got a few little elements of sparkly gold washi tape, which give it a really beautiful look. Don't really have any ideas what I'm going to do with it, whether I'm going to add more pages so you can journal in between, whether I'm going to put a cover on it. If I put a cover on it, it would mainly be to protect the images on the front and back. It's very sturdy, being of chipboard. Lots of the birdie images I just got off the internet. Of course, I do print a lot of my own images. I also have vintage images that I bought many years ago on CDs, and I do use them a lot. Because this journal is made on a base of sturdy chipboard, it is really good to take lots of wet mediums. That's one of the good things about chipboard. You really don't have to worry about things getting wet, mushy and falling apart. Leave some comments. I would love to see what you think of this journal. Excuse my voice, I've had a nasty scratchy sore throat. Lots of dust and wind tend to upset my throat, and it's been very windy here lately. Let me know what you think, even any ideas of what you think I should do with it, whether I should add more pages so I could write in it, or whether I should just leave it as is. It is very ornate, so if I added pages I'm really not sure what I would do. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please take care of yourselves, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.